how thick is the pipeline as far as Axis Capital is concerned? Of course, over the last 43 IPOs that have come in over the calendar year, Salil has helped 9 get listed. So I presume that this year's bonus would be fantastic for investment bankers.
I wish the last part was true.
I'm sure it will be.
But no, I think pipeline is pretty strong for markets as a whole. I mean, for keeping Axis Capital aside, even after the flurry of IPOs that we are seeing right now, I think between IPOs which are filed with SEBI, which are approved and awaiting approval, we have between them another 65 IPOs in the pipeline as far as India is concerned. About half of them are with the SEBI approvals. This month itself, we are seeing 2 of them which has just opened. We do expect at least 3-4 more to happen before the end of the month itself. And more important than the numbers is just the quality of issuers that we see coming around. I think a point that Manisha mentioned about governance standards, about how the regulator has been proactive, has all ensured that the names that finally reach the marketplace are quality names. Governance standards are very high. Investors are extremely clear about what they want to invest in, what they don't want to invest in.
Absolutely.
That makes a big difference. For every IPO that happens, there are a couple of them which don't necessarily happen. The markets don't necessarily see that. That's because investors are selective. That's resulting also in correct pricing. And that's why 90% of the IPOs that have happened in this current calendar year are all above water and doing well. I think what has also helped the pipeline per se is the sheer amount of domestic capital available around the place, which to my mind is only getting stronger by the day. Manisha talked about the 50 crore, 100 crore IPOs. Yeah, we all started our careers when the book buildings in India started with a 100 crore size, and today 100 crore is not a size.
And the largest issue that you managed was 4,300 crores for Mankind Pharma.
In the current year, and prior to that, the LICs and the Paytms have been 18,000, 20,000 crore issues.
Absolutely.
And they have got done properly with Indian investors putting that in. One last statistic which is very important is there's a lot of dependency on FII investors in India in the past. If you take the current statistics of all the institutional book, an institutional book is split between domestic and foreign. There was a time when almost 75% of the institutional book used to be foreign. And so if one foreign investor decides to go away, the book looked weak. This time, across all IPOs, 60% of the institutional book is domestic. And therefore, the resilience of the markets is very strong, and domestic flows are being really very strong. So all in all, great pipeline, more importantly, good quality pipeline, and underlyings are good, businesses are doing well. So we do expect that, this kind of comfort around the marketplace will remain sustained.